Good morning. Happy Friday. How's everybody doing? I just wanted to say good morning. I just went on my walk. That's my cheeks are all rosy. I've done just over an hour. And yeah, I'm chewing gum. I always chew gum. That's a really good tip, actually, guys. Chew gum. If you like gum, I actually keep some in my kitchen. So then I don't snack while I'm preparing, because I do like to taste things, but I tend to, if I tend to snack before I eat my dinner or meal, whatever, then I'm not as hungry. Maybe that's a good thing too. No, just kidding. Track. So today I posted about choices. It's the weekend, and I know those temptations, I mean, they're always out there, right? And sometimes more so on the weekend because you're off, you're not in routine, you're invited out, or you want to go out, and you're allowed to go out. I'm not saying you're not allowed to go out, but it's important to make the right choices that are going to make you happy. So my tip is, I used to tell my students this, and when I worked in a group home, to think of a stop sign, okay? So think of a stop sign. Visualize a stop sign. Whew, my glasses are all foggy. I must be hot-blooded. So think of a stop sign, visualize it, and say to yourself, is this what I want? Do I really want it? Do I need it? Do I have to have it? Is it going to satisfy me? Is it going to make me happy ultimately? Nobody can force things in your mouth, people. You know that. It's up to you what you do. And I'm not saying that we don't veer sometimes, but honestly, making those choices will ultimately make you feel so happy and proud of yourself and get the results that you want, because that's what you want on this journey, to have the results mentally, physically, socially, and just feel much better. I'm just looking at the time. So my tip today is, think of a stop sign before you put that piece of cake, candy, chip, ice cream in your mouth. Is it worth it? You want to have a little bit of something, have a little bit, drink lots of water, plan for it, exercise a bit more, but make good choices for you. Okay? Have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you guys soon. I got to get to work. Bye for now. Love you guys. Mwah.